Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is the pH scale, 0 to 14. Each step a factor of 10 in hydrogen ion concentration. By the end of this video, you'll know what each region means and how to read pH with a universal indicator or a meter. The pH scale measures acidity and alkalinity from 0 to 14. A pH below 7 is acidic, more H plus ions. A pH of 7 is neutral, pure water at 25 degrees. pH above 7 is alkaline, more OH minus ions. Each step of one pH unit means a 10-fold change in H plus ions concentration. Three things. 1. pH below 7 is acidic, equal to 7 neutral, above 7 alkaline. 2. A 1 unit pH change is a 10-fold change in H+. 3. Universal indicator gives a color range. pH meters give a precise number. Common slip. Thinking pH is linear. It isn't. It's logarithmic. pH 2 is 10 times more acidic than pH 3 and 100 times more acidic than pH 4. A small pH change, but a big concentration change. Quick example, lemon juice has a pH around 2, pure water 7, oven cleaner 14. Dilute a strong acid by 10 times and the pH rises by 1. Dilute by 100, pH rises by 2. A big effect for not much water. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic in each subject, with every answer fully worked and every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.